On average, most women will see 51 birthdays before menopause begins. However, being the unique and mysterious creatures that we are, it may occur much earlier or later in our years. What exactly happens during menopause and what effect does this have on our bodies in this next chapter of our lives? Well, today I'm going to take you through a deep dive into everything that you'll need to know. There is no shame concerning perimenopause or menopause, and in fact, the more openly we discuss this topic, the better. We all go through it at some point, and our bodies deserve all the love and care during this time. Approaching the big change can be a challenging time for many women, understandably. It's a time to nurture our bodies and understand how we can take the best care of ourselves throughout this transition. It's a natural process as our bodies prepare for this phase, and being armed with the knowledge around what to expect can help alleviate the overwhelming feelings that some women may be feeling. The perimenopause phase is the period of time from when you begin to experience menopausal symptoms right through to when you reach menopause. Now, this can range anywhere from 10 months to 4 years. During this time, your period can start to change, and the symptoms of menopause that many women will notice could last for months, some women having had them last for years and having to work through that point until their period has officially stopped for 12 months. Symptoms typically start from the age of 45, but for some women it can be even earlier. If you've noticed irregularity to your periods, such as heavier or lighter bleeding, missing a period, or your regular cycle dates are out of their ordinary routine, your GP or medical professional should be able to assess your symptoms and diagnose you if you are perimenopausal. However, if you do not have periods due to a health condition or even the type of contraception that you're using, you might like to consider speaking to your GP about a blood test to examine your hormone levels. There are so many symptoms women can experience during menopause. Some include period changes, night sweats, fatigue, brain fog, moods, hot flushes, joint pains, changes in the skin and hair, and even intense migraines. There are a number of things, though, you can do during this time to really take care of yourself. Firstly, have a well-balanced diet, one that's full of fruits and veggies, lots of wholesome food, a great approach, making sure that you've got plenty of nutrients that can assist you with the many symptoms, whilst also protecting your bone health. Move your body as much as you can through exercise. Frequent exercise sessions have a host of health benefits across the board. Now more than ever, keeping your bones, muscles, joints stable and strong is important for optimum well-being. I always like to say that weight training is the fountain of youth, so pick up yourself some dumbbells and get yourself moving. Spend some time outside, soaking up some sunshine. It can really improve your mood and reduce feelings of stress that might come up with menopause. A daily stroll outside can also help you enjoy being active. Remember, you're never too old to stop and smell the flowers. Get outside and find that connection with nature. Look at limiting alcohol intake and avoiding smoking. Alcohol can affect your experience with hot flushes as well as interfere with your constant sleeping pattern. Now, if you're already a smoker, aim to reduce this or even cut it out altogether. Replace these habits with healthier ones, such as drinking tea or upping your water intake. Try to relax. Taking time out for yourself, looking after yourself, is a really important step, as it can decrease your stress levels and boost your overall mood. Doing things that you enjoy the most can help you have a smoother experience. Talk it out. Some women find that engaging in some form of therapy is beneficial while processing the emotional and physical changes that this time presents. There are many forms of therapy, and working with the right type to suit you and aligns with you can really help strengthen how you feel. Now, this can be anything from seeing a therapist or even just opening up to a friend or family member. The most important thing during this time in your life is to be really kind to yourself. No beat-ups, a bit of self-care. If you actively work on yourself mentally and physically, you will continue to feel fit and strong and empowered. You've got this.